Fabulous 2022 construction in Walnut Estates. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home has just over 1,800 square feet and is immaculate. Vinyl plank flooring throughout and open floor plan give this home a modern feel. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, stainless appliances, pantry, island with breakfast bar, and dining area too. The living area with electric fireplace adds a coziness to the space. The split primary bedroom with ensuite bath is appointed with double sinks, separate tub and shower, and spacious walk-in closet. 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath and provide ample space for family or guests. The laundry room and good storage throughout complete the interior space. Outside enjoy the private, fenced backyard from the covered back patio. This is a wonderful home. Don't miss the opportunity to make it yours. Come see. Come by.